This is another episode on making money online. Now with this tutorial, you can make money online by just copying and pasting articles. You can make an amount of $1 per word when you publish an article on this website. Averagely, you can earn about $500 per every article you publish on this website. You can work from home. All you need is your PC or your mobile phone. So stay focused, avoid skipping, and get the accurate understanding from this video. From this website, these are the number of articles you can publish to make money from. You can see recipes, nutrition, cooking, personal essay, meal plans, lifestyle, and sustainability, and others. So you go to Google News. From here you can find a lot of articles. So this is where we are copying our articles from Google News. So you search in the search tab, you search the category you want to publish your article based on. So if it is lifestyle, just search it, lifestyle. So you can see that there are a lot of articles under lifestyle. So just locate one. So now when the site is fully loaded, just have to get the article from the site, and also you copy, decrease. Okay, so this is the article I want to publish. So all you need to do is just copy a full article from the website. So you are done with that, you go to spinboat.com. So you click on paste. So this Spinboat will help you rewrite this article, which is going to rearrange things, change words. Yes, so you solve this little puzzle and get your article rewritten. It's a free tool. There is no need to pay anything for this. So you can see the article you copied has been rewritten in a different way. So you just have to hit the copy. Copied successfully. So after you copy this, okay, you can check the title as well. Changing our lifestyle in response to the effects of climate change. So this is the title. Changing our lifestyle in response to the effects of climate change. So let's head towards the website we want to publish from. So when you get to this website, you just have to click on fill out this form. You can see the link over there. So it's a hyperlink. So click on that, fill out this form. So when you click on fill out this form, there'll be a form for you to fill and you submit. So you can see submit your page. So you choose the area, the topic, which is lifestyle. So let's skip the headline, the topic for now. So we go to the description of the story. So that is where you have to copy the rewritten article. So you copy the rewritten article after choosing the lifestyle. After choosing the topic, you skip that, you come to your description and you paste the rewritten article over here. So this is the rewritten article. So going back to the title, changing our lifestyle in response to the effects of climate. So to make this look legit, you can rewrite your own title yourself. Yes, you can rewrite the title yourself, or for the sake of time, to save time, let me just copy this title and paste it there. But when you are doing this, make sure you rewrite, you change and put other things into the title to make it look real. So this is the headline. So this is the title. So when you are done putting this title, okay, so I think so you just have to scroll down, scroll a little bit down, so you can see, do you have any idea inside backup story? Okay, it's optional. So why should we cover this now? So you can state the reason why you think your article is very important. So find something to tell them, just like when you go into an interview and they ask you such questions. So have you worked with us before? You choose no. So tell us about yourself and your experience. These are similar questions you get asked when you go for a job interview. So anything you think you can add, any CV or something you can add about yourself, just try adding it to that place. So when you're done, you put in your name, you add your email. Applying, if they approve your application, they will contact you from that email. Contact you on that email. Just have to hit on submit. And also, this is how you add your payment information. So you use their website. So you can pick their email address from here and you send them a message. Yes, so you can pick the email address from there, you send them a message, you add your payment information and everything, so they can review everything for you and send you your payment. So this is the official website where you can find other published articles as well. So when anytime you publish your article, it's going to appear at this website. And also they are making enough money from this website and from your article as well, so there's no need to worry about that. It's just a simple way to work from home. So you work for them and then you get paid. That's how the system works. To summarize everything up, you go to Google News, search article category. When you search article category, you click on the article you want to publish. You copy the article, you go to spinboot.com, you rewrite it, you copy the article, then you go to the website, you paste your article, your content, and then you complete the rest of the forms. You click on submit. Don't forget to add your email and click on submit. So this is just the simplest way to work from home. Catch you up in my next upload.